Welcome to 1665 Hudson Avenue in the beautiful Paddington Park development. Conveniently located minutes to New Jersey Transit trains to New York. Nearby approved Transit Village train station when that gets built. You have Route 27 out beyond here with New York City buses. Very close to all major routes throughout the state. A blue ribbon school system. And as you can see, beautiful homes. Look at this beautiful cherry blossom tree. So this home is listed at $700,000. It features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a finished basement, 2-car garage, fenced-in yard, newer roof, and we'll go through the house. Nice little porch area here. Upon entry, you have a 2-story dramatic entry foyer, oak railing, oak hardwood stairs, spacious living room with recessed lighting. We head into a nice sized formal dining room. Great kitchen layout with the open concept feel, with the kitchen flowing into the family room. Solid oak cabinets, granite countertops, newer appliances, new stainless steel refrigerator, brand new dishwasher, hasn't been used. Commercial grade outside vent, exhaust, gas range oven, beautiful spacious family room, wood-burning fireplace, hardwood flooring throughout the family room, perfect place for a home office. There's also plumbing behind this wall. This was originally a builder option to have a built-in wet bar if you chose that for your entertaining needs. Very spacious. Again, the wood-burning fireplace. Nice spacious backyard with privacy fence all the way around. There's a little old children's playhouse if you might want to use that. Newer roof. Newer central air. Ideal for having a pet, not having to worry about them. You have a convenient powder room. Replace toilet and sink. Convenient laundry room on the first floor. And there's a huge oversized garage, but it's filled with stuff in transition for their move. 2-car with a garage opener. Now we're going to go down to the finished basement. A wonderful space here. So you have utility storage here, but a wonderful finished basement here. Open shelving. You can customize this with shelves if you wanted to add more. Back into the utility room. Newer hot water heater, newer furnace and central air, all the necessary permits. So there's really nothing that you have to worry about on this house. All of the major systems have been updated. Major expenses out of the way. Lovely ceramic tile kitchen and entry foyer. And now we go upstairs. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout the entire second floor. A nice overlook. Chandelier is included. Spacious second bedroom. Double closets. Ceiling fans, recessed lighting. Lots of natural light. Another spacious bedroom. With the hardwood floors and ceiling fans. Custom blinds. Nice full-size, clean common bathroom. Here's the fourth bedroom. Also features ceiling fans and lights. Owner's suite with cathedral ceiling. Again, hardwood floors, plenty of natural light. And this is a massive room. There's plenty of room to make a Additional second home office here. Huge walk-in closet. Houses lots of room for clothes. Beautiful brass frame stall shower, soaking tub with a nice picture window, private toilet, double sinks, his and hers. And that concludes the tour. Reach out to You Can't Beat Pete. For a personal tour and to help make this home your own.